Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we'll show you how to use the Apache monitoring plugin. The Apache server can be monitored in several ways, for example manually by creating data server modules, remotely by monitoring the reports, and as we will see in this video, by using plugins. At Pandora FMS, we have lots of plugins, policies, and modules already configured and ready to use, available in our official library, which is where we're going to download this plugin to monitor Apache. Therefore, the first step is to go to Pandora FMS library. Here, type in the name of the plugin you're looking for, in this case tapping Apache is enough. Select the one you consider appropriate. For this example, I will choose the plugin Apache Performance. In the plugin window, you may find more information about it and, what is more important, a guide with all the steps to correctly install everything you need to run the plugin. Specifically for this plugin, you will need to have wget installed and add some new configuration lines to the Apache configuration file. Once you add this new configuration, restart the service. Once done, download the plugin and test this manual operation. After downloading it, send this plugin to the agent that will run it. In my case, I will use it with the same agent of the server where I installed Pandora FMS. After you have the plugin in the agent, give it executing permissions, and as a recommendation, move it to the plugin directory of the software agent, located at /usr/share/pandora_agent/plugins. To test the plugin's manual execution, run it and add the URL of the web server that you wish to monitor. If you see that the data field contains values, it means that it worked, and you will have everything you need to be able to configure it in Pandora FMS console to start monitoring your Apache servers. In this case, since it is an agent plugin, its configuration can be done from the agent configuration file or from Pandora FMS web console if you have the enterprise version. To configure the plugin, go to the agent that will run it, open the agent plugin configuration section, and if you move the plugin to the default agent directory, entering the plugin's name and the URL will be more than enough to make it work. If not, type in the full path where the plugin is located. Now restart the agent or wait for it to run automatically, and you may see the modules being monitored in your Apache server. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you like the video, smile, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Any suggestions, questions or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.